Hey guys, I'm Ian, and today I'm going to be trying Grandpa Lundquist's Christmas soda. Okay, let's get right into it. Hold on. That was really hard. Okay, well, forward. Very satisfying. Wow, that's strong. It smells like nail polish. Well, don't hatch. I was expecting it to be good. That is not good. I do not like that. It's odd. Like, I don't know why, but it's just, it tastes like you just ate a roll of cinnamon, right? Like just cinnamon that has been compacted, and then you just ate it, and then somebody threw grass at it, and then you eat the grass with it. It's not good. The part that I don't like about it is that it stays with you, and the grass just keeps on in your mouth, you know. But it's not really bad. If it was pretty bad, I would rate it a 2, but I guess since it's okay, I'd rate it a 3. Okay guys, I'm gonna have to end it off here. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Click up here if you want to see my previous taste test, and click down here if you want to see my latest unboxing. Peace out.